Okay guys, we're still working on the space arena. It's getting exciting now. So I have a new function called do Minion AI, and it takes it was originally just a bunch of code that did the player Minion AI and then the enemy Minion AI, but I found that there was so many similarities. I just made a function and cut my code size nearly in half. So long story short, what it does is it checks for the minion state. There's only one state at the moment. Search for enemy units within sight. If none are found, proceed to the nearest waypoint. If an enemy is found, proceed to the nearest enemy unit. Loops through all the enemy units. Checks to see which are close, and it figures out which one the nearest is. If there are none that are nearest, then it comes into here. Or if this is if there are some that are nearest, and this is if it's a player Minion AI, and this is if it's an enemy Minion AI. If there are none, no enemy found in sight, head to the nearest waypoint. So in this case, it's really the same directional calculation. It's just that the parameter is next waypoint. So anyways, this is what I just finished working on, the avoidance algorithm. So if the distance between the two is too close, excuse me, like they're going to touch, then the velocity is immediately set to steer away. And initially, I'm just going to show you real quick and then I'll end the video. So we just kind of fly together here. And they start to kind of jiggle and do a weird little dance and stuff, and that's because I haven't, basically they're never going to reach that point with the enemies. They're going to reach a distance. This is next. They're going to reach a distance and then they will fire a projectile. So stay tuned for that. We're going to be working on coding on and off throughout the day. I might have another beer and fall asleep. I don't know. Alright, thanks for watching.